Did you know? Kanin Cuisine offers one rack of lamb that's straightforward and uncomplicated. The meat is coated with a thin layer of mustard which tames the gaminess, and seasoned with only 3 ingredients. Ingredients which can be found in any pantry in Memphis. But the difference is the smoke. Cooked at 225 degrees, low and slow until it reaches a hot pink on the inside. This one is called salt, pepper, garlic, or the SPG. Yeah, man, you see it. Go to kanincuisine.com for pricing and details. It's juicy. Come get what I do. Every Friday is Lamb Day. All ages will enjoy. And dances will be done. Let us add value to your dinner table this weekend. Pre-order only from Saturday morning to Tuesday night. Thank you in advance. This can be you. Let us be your who when it comes to lamb. You heard me.